Boards allow you to see as many pages and stacks side by side as you want. They're great for things like brainstorming, taking notes, doing story development, and much more. To create a board, you can just click on the New Board button here in the sidebar, or you can come over to the Library panel, click on the Boards tab, and then click on the New Board button. To give this board a new name, we can either click on the pencil icon here, or we can click on the title up here. So in this case, we'll click here, and we'll call this Demo Board. From here, we can create new pages and stacks directly on this board by clicking on either of these icons here, or we can click on this icon to open the board contents panel, and we can also create pages and stacks from here. You can also add a page or a stack to a board from anywhere else in the app by dragging it in, like this. To remove an item from a board, just click on the X icon here. Alright, now let's come over to this board for a second, and we'll go ahead and close down the Library panel. To navigate to an item on a board, just simply click on it. And to reorder them, just drag and drop like this. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.